Discovery of extraterrestrial planets. Astronomers have discovered thousands of planets by detecting the presence of planets in other star systems. This means that planets other than Earth that could have habitable conditions can be found. Planets in the habitable zone. Planets in a so-called habitable zone can have conditions in which water can remain liquid thanks to the energy from their stars. Liquid water is an essential component of life on Earth. Therefore, the potential for life is higher on planets located in the habitable zone. Biological signature gases. Telescopes in space can look for gases of biological origin, biosignature gases, by analyzing gases in the atmospheres of other planets. For example, the presence of gases such as oxygen and methane in the atmosphere can be an indicator of biological activity. Potential traces on Mars. Mars is one of the places where there is evidence of water in the past and where life could potentially exist. Water ice has been discovered on and below the surface of Mars, and the existence of ancient riverbeds and lakes has been determined. Future Mars missions may try to detect traces of microbial life or the presence of microorganisms. Atmospheric analyses on exoplanets. Future space missions and telescopes could study the atmospheres of potentially habitable exoplanets in greater detail. These analyses can provide clues to the existence of life by providing more information about gas composition, water vapor, oxygen, ozone, and other gases in the atmosphere. Biological or organic traces. In space exploration, it is important to look for biological or organic traces on other planets or moons. These traces can be compounds, molecules, or isotopes that indicate the presence of microorganisms or life. Alien technological signs in space. If there is an advanced civilization in space, it may have certain technological signs. For example, signs such as radio signals or artifacts that can be detected in space can be investigated. Traces of microbial life on Mars. Exploration and exploration missions to Mars may provide more data to detect traces of microbial life. There may be biological or chemical signs that indicate the presence of microbial life on or below the Martian surface. Liquid water oceans on Europa and Enceladus. Some moons, such as Jupiter's moon Europa and Saturn's moon Enceladus, are thought to have oceans of liquid water underneath. These oceans of liquid water can provide environments in which life can exist, such as on Earth. Future expeditions and probes could look for evidence of life by taking samples and analyses from these oceans. Oxygenated atmosphere. Planets with an oxygen-rich atmosphere, such as on Earth, or high oxygen levels in atmospheres may indicate the presence of vegetation or photosynthetic organisms.